Now we are going to implement this sidebar. I'm going to add the invoice list item and clients list item. So if you go to the Angular material documentation, find the list section from the layout, and you will find the list section. Let me scroll down. They have provided this template. If you want to convert the list item to nav, you have to use this code. I'm going to copy the same code and open the side nav component.html file. Yeah, I'm going to replace all the stuff here. I don't need href. I will use router link. Router link is a directive, so we need to provide the array of routes here. I'm going to use link.url. You have to provide the array, and we need to create the links array. Here I can show link.name. Cool. So let's start creating this links array inside the side nav component.ts file. Here I'm going to create the links array. The first property, the first route is the name of the first route is invoices, and URL should be invoices. And the name of the second URL should be clients, and the URL is clients. Cool. Let's try to test it. Incredible. We have added the invoices and the clients nav item.